Hi there, Subhash here once again. In this video, I'm going to explain how I solved the Wi-Fi connectivity issue with the D-Link DWA131 USB nano transmitter in Manjaro Linux XFCE version 21.0. The good news is that there is no need of installing any new driver, as the driver that comes with Manjaro's latest release, the RTL8XXXU, is good enough. In any case, do not download or install the Linux driver from D-Link site for this product, as it is absolutely outdated. The driver there is for Linux kernel 4.17, which is almost prehistoric as of now. The current kernel running in Manjaro 21.0 is 5.10. Moreover, it clearly states in the release notes from D-Link that the driver is meant for Ubuntu version 18.0. All you need to do is make a small entry in your /etc/networkmanager.conf file in Manjaro, which is basically a configuration file, and you should be good to go. You do this by clicking on File System and then on the /etc folder. Just enter NE and from the drop down click on Network Manager. Then press Enter and you are taken to the folder. Notice the NetworkManager.conf text file there. Now right click anywhere on the folder and from the shortcut menu click on Terminal. The terminal window is opened. Note the directory name as it says Network Manager in there. Type ls and press Enter and you will notice the file in the listing. I have included all commands used in this video in the description below, so you must find all the commands there. Next, type the command sudo nano networkmanager.conf so that you can edit the file. Notice that the name of the file is case sensitive, so make sure you type in exactly as I have done. Enter your password when it prompts for the same and the file opens. Notice the last two lines in my file which you need to add to yours. Add them to your file. I have included them in the description as well. Then do a Ctrl O and when prompted to write the file, press Enter. You must get a message saying wrote 4 lines. Next, do a Ctrl X and exit the file editor. At the prompt, run the command cat networkmanager.conf to confirm the addition of the 2 lines you have just done. Now, leaving the D-Link DWA131 transmitter in its USB socket, restart your system by running the reboot command. When your system is back, you will notice the Wi-Fi connecting icon at the bottom right of your desktop still trying to connect to Wi-Fi as before. All you need to do now is to simply remove the D-Link transmitter from its USB socket. Then wait for a couple of seconds till the No Networks Found icon appears. Now reconnect the D-Link transmitter back into its USB socket. In a few seconds you'll notice that the Wi-Fi is connected. My signal is weak as I am located quite a distance away from the router, but if you are close you'll get a full strength indication. I've also noticed that sometimes this problem happens whenever you do a system restart. Not a power off and a power on, but on a reboot. In this case, simply unplug the D-Link device from the USB 2 socket and plug it back in and it will reconnect to Wi-Fi again. So that's it. No need of installing any new drivers for your D-Link device. Hope this fixes your problem. Let me know in the comments.